Assalamu alaikum all viewers. Today we have a new topic, chapter number 11 from the 10th class books, 11.1 theorem. The statement of the theorem is if two arcs of a circle two arcs of a circle are congruent circles, then the corresponding chords are equal. This is the statement of theorem 11.1. If two arcs of a circle are congruent circles, there are two cases just only for one circle, or you use two circles separately congruent, then the corresponding chords are equals. So first of all, we use the first circle. PQ and RS. This is the center. Here PQ and RS are any two chords of the circle, and here if two arcs is required, two arcs, it means that here PQ or ST, here we take one of the point and U. Here we can write P, T, Q is the minor arc. If we write P, U, Q, P, U, Q, so that will be major arc. This is minor arc, and similarly here is major arc. Similarly here we can make RUS is the minor arc and RTAU is the major arc. Now we are proceeding to the statement. F is given. F means we write the given statements. Given two arcs here means that here PQ and RS are any two chords, and PTQ and RUS is any two arcs are given that. We have a circle with center O, PQ and RS are any two chords of the circle, and PTQ is congruent to RUS. These are the minor arc. Now to prove that the congruent, then means to prove that the corresponding chords are equal. Corresponding chords means that here PQ is congruent to RS, or measurement PQ is equal to measurement RS. We want to prove this one. Now we are required to join, and here is central angle is 1 and central angle is 2. Construction. We join O with the points with P, Q, R and S respectively, and suggested the angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 and angle 2 are central angle. Proof. Statement and reasons. Now look here, in this theorem we get two triangles. One of the triangles we get here OPQ, and here we get the second triangle ORS. We compare these two triangles to each other. Look here, these are the two radii, and here is 1 and 1. But we want to prove that PQ and RS, the corresponding sides, are equal or not. Now comparison of an triangle OPQ is 1 to 1 corresponding triangle OPORS 1 to 1 corresponding. We write here OP is congruent to OR, radii of the same circle. Same circles. The second points we get OQ is congruent to OS. These are also radii of the same circle. Angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. These are called central angle. We have discussed and supposition construction. So triangles are congruent. Triangle OPQ is congruent triangle ORS. Side angle by side postulates. So it means that we can write PQ is congruent to RS, or measurement PQ is equal to measurement RS. These are the corresponding sides of congruent triangles, which is the required proofs from the two arcs. PTQ is one of the minor arcs and RUS the another minor arc. So this was the important theorem. If two arcs are congruent of a circle, then the corresponding chords are equal. That is very important theorem for you students. So thank you very much for watching once again. Inshallah, step by step, I will do another theorems. Once again, appreciate you in advance.